We are going to be making this candle card. It's a very simple card. We hope you have lots of fun making this card. We're going to need, of course, our candle template, the flame and the candle base, pencil, pair of scissors, glue, our card base, which is 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock, and then 2 pieces of paper, bright colored paper such as yellow and orange, but you can use other colors as well. We're going to start by forming our card. We're going to fold our cardstock into 2, so, and crease, and that is the base of our card already. Okay, now we need to get these 2 pieces, and we're going to trace and cut. Let me do the flame first. I'm going to do the flame in yellow. Trace and cut the flame. And again, I trace and cut. I like to put the paper clip in case it moves. I'm good that way. And now I'm going to trace and cut this candle base. Since the top is straight, I'm going to line that up at the top there, so I don't have to cut that. I'm just going to draw the rest of it like so. Okay, now we can set our templates aside, and these templates are available in our Art and Craft for Elementary School book. It's at the back of the book. Here we go. We're cutting the flame. And now the rest is actually very easy. As we said, this was a very simple craft. We're going to place our templates and we're going to glue. Now you might notice that part of my template has the pencil mark on it, so I have just chosen to turn it over and glue on the other side that does not have a pencil mark. You can also erase the pencil mark. I'm going to glue my flame. And once you've glued the flame on, it's time to decorate. I'm going to use these gems that I got from my handy dandy craft box. Oh, I love this. I'm going to use this as the top here. And then I'm just going to put some gems. And again, I put glue on the paper because it's going to be difficult to put glue directly onto these tiny gems. And I'm just randomly putting the gems along. You can be more careful with it, but I just like how they look in this random fashion. And we have our candle card. Very easy. I hope you have lots of fun with this craft. Please remember to check us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course our YouTube channel.